Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail, and it's playoff time. And guess what? You're gonna need an appetizer to sit on the table when you have that get together. And I got something for you. Creamy shrimp and spinach dip. You're gonna love it. I ain't worrying about it. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown of today's recipe. Back here we have our spinach, and I chopped it. It's already washed and everything. And right here we have our shrimp. We wanna make sure you chop them. We're gonna use the whole shrimp to place on top, but for the mixture, we're gonna use chopped shrimp. Right here, we're gonna use scallops. Now, typically they make this with crab meat, which you can have lump crab meat. I don't have any crab meat here where I am, so I'm gonna substitute it with scallops. It can work just as well. Right here we have sour cream, salt and pepper, Parmesan cheese, mozzarella, cream cheese, and you wanna make sure this softened at room temperature, mayo, Old Bay, cayenne pepper, freshly chopped garlic, lemon juice, and we have some green onions. So that's all you need. Let's get to it. All right, to get started, we're gonna melt some butter. As that butter melts, we're gonna add our scallops. We're gonna hit that with a little salt and pepper. We're gonna cook these about 3 to 5 minutes. Before we start mixing up, we're gonna let them cook just like this, undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then mix them around and cook them for another 1 to 2 minutes. All right, so it looks like we're good right now. We're gonna start removing our scallops. We're gonna add them here to a bowl. All right, so now we're gonna melt a little bit more butter. As y'all can see, I love me some butter. As that butter starts to melt, we're gonna start adding our shrimp now. And we're gonna cook these babies until they're pink and opaque. This should just take a few minutes also. We're gonna hit that with a little salt and pepper. So after about those 2 or 3 minutes, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add our scallops back in here. You possibly could have cooked this all together, but this pan doesn't allow me to probably put them all in at one time, because you can probably pretty much cook them the same length of time. We're gonna go ahead and add our garlic. We're gonna let this cook for another minute. All right, so after that minute, we're gonna take our spinach, we're gonna add it here. And we're gonna cook this until it wilts. Should take a couple of minutes, a few minutes, should I say. All right, so it looks like we are good right here. So we're going to turn our heat off. We're gonna set this aside, and we got one more thing to do before we head over to our mixing bowl. All right, guys, so all I'm gonna do in this step is cook my shrimp for my topping. Now, and that's for it to look pretty. Now, if you don't wanna have shrimp as your topping, then that's fine. You can just skip on over to the next section where we're gonna do the mixing part of it. But for the sake of this video, and I like my dishes to look pretty, we're gonna melt some more butter. And as that butter melts, we're gonna add our shrimp. And these are the whole shrimp. And we're gonna cook these about 1 to 2 minutes until they're pink and opaque. All right, so we're about 2 minutes in. We're gonna turn our heat off. We don't need to cook it any further. I'm gonna transfer these to a bowl until we're ready to use them again. All right, so let's head over to our cutting board so we can get this baby mixed up. All right, so let's start with our cheese mixture. We're gonna add our softened cream cheese, our sour cream, and our mayo. And we're gonna mix this really good till we get it well combined. Switch this baby up to my whisk. Gets this incorporated a little bit better than the spoon. Once we got that incorporated, next we're gonna go in with our mozzarella cheese, our Parmesan cheese, our Old Bay seasoning, that cayenne pepper, our green onions, and our lemon juice. And we're gonna finish that baby off with another mix. All right, once we get that incorporated, we're gonna gently fold in our shrimp, scallop, and spinach mixture. Look at that right there. All right, that's looking good right there, baby. That's looking good. And we're just gonna add a little salt to taste. Same with that pepper. All right, once we got that mixed in, we're gonna move this aside, bring over a baking dish. I'm gonna bake mine in this one. I know this is smaller than what my dip can fit, but this is what I'm using. And we're going to add our dip here. I tell you, it ain't that much smaller, to be honest with you. Now all I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna place some shrimp on top of this baby like this. And this just makes it look pretty, that's all. I mean, you just really just showing out when you do this right here. And I like to show out. Had I known those shrimp were gonna shrink up like that, I could have got a little bit more on there. Could have probably went with about 9 more shrimp. But hey, that'll work. Now we're gonna get this baby into our oven. It's already preheated on 375. We're gonna let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes until that cheese is bubbly and you got that golden top. All right, guys, this is what we have after about 25 minutes in our oven. So we're gonna let this rest for a minute before we dig into it. Kind of let it not cool down, but just cool off slightly to allow those flavors to come together, and then it starts to kind of thicken up just slightly. All right, guys, so looks like we're good. We're gonna just finish this off by adding a little of that green stuff, and that's some of that fresh parsley to liven up those colors just a little bit. And there you have it, guys. Creamy shrimp and spinach dip. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and jump into quality control so we can do a taste test. Man, this thing is smelling and looking good. All right, so it's quality control time, man. Bring these groceries up here. Now let's look at these groceries. Oh man, groceries. All right, so let's give this baby a try. Oh man, this is delicious. I'm just here eating it like it's a meal. I know what you're asking. Where's the bread? Where's the crackers? Listen, man. I forgot it when I was at the store shopping for this. I forgot the bread. I forgot the crackers. I told y'all I'm not a chef. Just cook a lot. Let's stay focused on the groceries, all right? We focus on the groceries, not the bread. Oh man. Listen, at your next football get together, you want this on the table. NFL playoffs coming up. So, guys, you want this at the table during those times. So, until then, remember, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. I'm just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.